Hey everybody, this is Eric with Adventure Experience. Wiggling around, having fun, wiggling around in a cave. Or am I? Oh, let's just choose which one is the question. Which begs the question, me and Climbing Snake wanted to know, do you feel like you have a good perspective? Do you... Oh, this is tight. Do you have a good perspective on life and everything? Oh man, maybe. Do you think you have a good idea what's going on around you? Good situational awareness? Do you think that in light of global pandemics, the latest presidential outcome, would you say you have a good perspective on life? Or has it been tainted? Has it been tainted by people saying this is what's going to happen? This is for sure what the future brings, depending on, I don't know, whatever. You got a good situational awareness, good focus on what is true and real and not the reality other people are weaving for you. I'm just saying, so many people want to tell us what's going to happen if this, then that. How many times are they right? How many times are the experts right? I'm just saying. And I think it comes down to perspective. I think it comes down to where are you really? Because sometimes we say we're in a bad spot. Sometimes we say all is lost. Sometimes we say we're in a deep, dark cave. But actually, we're not at all. We're actually way up in the most gorgeous spot in my backyard. And we're just wiggling through a minor little trouble right there. That's all it is. And once you wiggle through that, well, then the way up from here, it's pretty straightforward, right? So I'm just saying, whatever you're up to, whatever's going on in your life, whatever people are saying, maybe don't worry about the naysayers. Maybe you figure out for yourself what is true, what is not. Go with what's true. Go with what actually corresponds to reality and not what other people are saying. Does that sound like a plan to you? Awesome. And if it's playing around in a cave having fun, I'm just saying, maybe it's not a cave, but it should still be fun. Hey, my name's Eric with Adventure Experience, and we are definitely having fun now. So I'll let you guys have your own fun. I'll get back to mine, and I'll catch you next time around.